Hello everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about the regular expression extractor in JMeter. It's a powerful tool that helps us extract specific values from responses like session ID, tokens or anything dynamic using regex pattern. So let's begin. Open the Chrome browser and here in this example we will use this website lifecharger.eu. Open the JMeter and add here thread group. After adding a thread group, you need to add here sampler and HTTP request. In the HTTP request, we enter the server name, path, protocol, and this is the protocol which is kept. Now enter the server path. Here server path is not available. We just need to enter the server name, which is lifecharger.eu. Copy this one and enter here. This is server name and then enter the protocol. Protocol is HTTPS. Let's add some listener here for view the result. Here we will add the view result. Now run the test. Here we need to save this test plan. So click on yes and then enter the file name. File name is regular underscore expression. You can view this request successfully sent, and here in the request section we can view the get https protocol and the server name. In the response we are getting some information in the response. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can extract the links. Suppose you want to extract the links from the response, we will use here regular expression extractor. Right click on chat group and then click on post processor. In the post processor, you can view regular expression extractor. In the regular expression extractor, here multiple options are available. These are the configuration you can apply to main sample and subsamples. For now, select main sample only and here field to text. Suppose you want to extract the value from the body, so you need to select the body and here response headers, request headers, URL, response code, and response message. Now we need to enter the here variable name, regular expression, template, match number of 0 means random. If you set the value here 0, it means it will extract the random value from the response. Now enter the variable name here, reference. This is variable name and we need to extract the URL from the response. Suppose we want to extract the URL. So here we will use a href is equal and then use the double quote. After double quote round brackets, inside this round brackets enter dot static question mark and then again enter the double quote after bracket. Now close this tag. It will extract the all anchor tag from the response. Now here enter template where I is capturing group number start at 1. Here we will enter 1. Now enter here for, suppose you want to extract the random value from the response, so you need to enter the 0 for random. Let's add another request, and we will use this variable name which is reference in our request. Right click on thread sampler and then click on HTTP request. Move here. We can move here and change here the HTTP request name HTTP link request. Now save this test plan, and we need to enter the variable name here. For reference the variable name, we need to enter the variable name here, which is reference. Let's run the test and see what happens. First sequence sent successfully, and the second request also successfully sent. In the request, we need to observe one thing here. We do not define any URI. We just pass. Here we just need to define the variable name, which is a reference. Suppose you want to extract the random value from the response. So you can set the value here match number 0 for random. You can set the value here 0. Let's clear all the result and I can run the test and see what happens. First request sent successfully. This is the complete URL. HTTPS is the protocol. And the second request also sent successfully. One option also available here, regex expression tester. You can use this option for verifying your regular expression. So that's how you can use the regular expression extractor in JMeter to capture values from the responses. It is very useful when working with dynamic data during API testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more JMeter and testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.